Hey guys, this video is just a little look into our DEXCOM G6 sensor replacement routine. Miles is due for a sensor change tonight. It actually stopped working. We were on day 7. They're supposed to last 10 days. I'm just grabbing out an alcohol swab in his grip. Those grips are really nice for if you have issues with your sensors staying on, especially if lots of baths and swimming and all that good stuff. Just helps keep them on. So right here, I'm just writing everything down because I got that advice from a DEXCOM representative, and then I take a picture of it. So that way, if we do need to call for a sensor replacement to DEXCOM, I just take a picture of this and look at it because usually I'm not at the house and I don't have this information with me. So the picture is very nice and helpful. I hope you like this video, and yeah, here we go.
All right, come here, buddy.
I don't want to push that. I'm having a foot change.
I've got your sticker too. What are you doing?
Oh, Austin's playing. Whoopoosh. The Bugatti.
Pick up your other one.
Bugatti.
Do a swift pull, don't we, Miles? Ready? 1.
Ow.
Wipe off. Wipe it off. There we go. That's ready to go. Oh my. Too much energy.
Don't hurt, please don't.
Don't hurt. Don't hurt. Get a little bit. That doesn't help, Mom. Doesn't help. Who's on Fortnite?
Austin.
Austin's on Fortnite?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, right. He is such a goof. Here you go. Hold still now, please. So we can put your grip on. Careful. You forgot something after your shower.
Sorry, pardon. Where did it
All right. 9311. Here, let's put that in your pump here.
Oh, hey, Mom's playing.
What?
Oh, hey, Mom's playing.
Here. Miles has a new tandem pump. I'll have to do a review on the tandem later. So we're going to put in his sensor,
Yeah.
my CGM, start sensor, and we have a code, which was 9113. Done. Invalid sensor code.
Right there.
It didn't like it. 9311, that's why. Haha. 9311. Done. Code confirmed. Yes. Sensor started. And so it will have to wait like 3-hour warm up. It says 3-hour warm up. Yeah, 3-hour warm up. This little timer. And then his blood sugars will start popping up on the graph right here. So, probably shouldn't have started a sensor at 7:20 at night, but what can you do? So, there you go, buddy. Put that back on. Okay guys, and then what I'll do is I will actually throw away the old one because I don't need it now. And then I save this one with the writing on it. And what I did is I took a picture. When I just spoke to somebody at DEXCOM once, they gave me that great idea. And it's really nice. So what I'll do is I just take a picture of this with all the writing on it, so that way it has the lot number and PIN number or whatever they need if you ever need to call DEXCOM, which you will quite a few times with the G6. We had to call for 2 replacements. That's why we have 2 of these single boxes, because his sensors don't last the full 10 days. So then I'll just put that one back in my sensor supplies, and it will sit there in case I need it. And here's his transmitter that he's on right now. I'm gonna write down the date on the box. And the same goes for that. Like when this one's done, I'll throw that away and then I'll put the new one in there.